staff of school, Shivhar English Medium School, and management, I welcome on this Teachers' Day. September 5th is the birth anniversary of one of the modern India's most notable teachers and philosophers, the late Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was independent India's second president. He have been observing it ever since his passing away as our country's Teachers' Day. Just as a country is as good as its people, so its citizens are only as good as their teachers. Therefore, a great deal depends on you, teachers, and I salute you, all of you, for your passion, dedication, commitment, and contributions. It is the teacher who sees a statue in the stone block. It he who identifies a spark in the child and turns it into a fire. And surely, the student is a bank where you deposit your most precious treasures. Teachers who inspire realize there will always be rock in the road ahead of us. They will be stumbling rock or stepping stones. It all depends on how we use them. Who dares to teach must progressively discover his own ignorance. The dynamism in knowledge and explosion of newer information poses a challenge of continuous upgradation of your competency by acquiring, maintaining, and demonstrating highest values of character. COVID pandemic has been tough time for all professions, including teaching. We have upgraded ourselves and started online teaching so that future of country shines. Educators are born to enlighten lives in every odd situation. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak on Teachers' Day. I will begin my speech with this beautiful slok. And great scholar and excellent teacher. It is celebrated in all schools. Students give cards and gifts to their teacher. Teachers are like our parents, our friends, and our guide. So big thank you all my teachers and happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
Is Patel Khyati, Standard 5th Division B. Good morning to all respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. The Teacher Day was celebrated in India 1962, 5th September. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
जय भारत दोस्तों, आज टीचर्स डे पे मैं पोयम बोलने वाला हूँ। उम्मीद है कि आप सबको अच्छी लगेगी। सबसे मेरी प्यारी टीचर मुझको रोज बुलाती है, संग हमारे खेले गाए, हर पल वो मुस्कुराती है, हर पल वो मुस्कुराती है। वो मुझे अच्छी लगती है, वो मुझे अच्छी लगती है, वो मुझे अच्छी लगती है जब वो पाठ पढ़ाती है, जब वो पाठ पढ़ाती है।
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teachers Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिन मनाया जाता है। टीचर्स हमें पढ़ाते हैं, लिखाते हैं और ज्ञान की बातें बताते हैं। सब टीचर्स का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ। थैंक यू टीचर।
Good morning everyone. My name is Kevin. Today I am speech about teacher. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday is celebrated as Teachers Day. Teachers are our guru. We cannot achieve goal without teacher. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. My name is Mani Kepute. I study in 7th to 8th class. I wish you all a very happy Teacher Day. Happy Teacher Day is celebrated 5th September every year in India. It is birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you. હું બધા ગુરુને નમન કરું છું. Happy Teacher Day. Thank you. Happy Teacher Day.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parambrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
My name is Vida Patel. Don't give cards and gifts to our teacher. Teachers like our parents, friends, and guides.
Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends, Happy Teachers Day to all.
Today we will talk about Teachers Day. We can express our love for teachers. We should respect our teachers. Thank you.
Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September.
Respect our teacher. Happy Teachers Day.
My name is Kamal Harsh. Every year on 5th September, we celebrate Teachers Day. On this special day, I wish to give my best wishes to all my dear teachers who helped me every time. Happy Teachers this. Thank you.